Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unbagging my May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. I did not get a second glam bag this month. I meant to, and then I just ran out of time and I didn't order it. So I'm going to try to do that for June and going forward, get a second glam bag. And I have glitter everywhere. It's getting everywhere from this bag. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. If you notice my voice is a little croaky, I came down with a cold a couple of days ago. I got a couple of boxes in the mail today, and while I was feeling pretty good, I decided to go ahead and film all three of them. If this might be the first one, I'm not sure when these are going to go up, but I will have this voice in a couple of other videos. So, just wanted to let you know. Anyway, in my pink envelope, there is one item that is in here. It is right here. And it is a brush from the company Farrah. It is a double-ended brush, which is not necessarily my favorite, but it would be good to take on travel. So this is the 22E Shade and Blend brush. That is what it looks like. And the bristles are nice and soft. It does look like it got a little bit messed up, but yeah, I don't think this would be bad for like a travel brush, you know, because you got the blending brush to do the crease, and then you have the shade brush to do the eyelid. That wouldn't be too bad. I don't know that I have too many Farrah brushes. Anyway, that is what the inside of the bag looks like. It is getting glitter everywhere. So I'm going to pull the card out. And it does have 5 items on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and read for the brush first. This is the Farrah Brushes 22E Shade and Blend brush. This brand's goal: to create luxurious, high-quality, affordable products. This stylish, dual-ended brush is so versatile. Use it to apply and blend shadows, contour, highlight, and more. Plus, who can resist that eye-catching iridescent handle? Tip: use this brush to apply concealer under your eyes, set under eye makeup with powders, highlight the inner corners of your eyes, and contour small areas like your nose. Yeah, I could use that. I could use this to like contour my nose, although I've never been successful in contouring my nose, so there's that. All right, we'll go ahead and pull this out next because it's on top. This is from Pixi, and it looks like it is the Endless Silky Eye Pen. All right, and does it have a shade? Oh, in the shade Rose Glow. So that's what it looks like. It's just, you know, an eye pencil. And there is a shimmer to it. I'm going to go ahead and read from the card. It's the Pixi by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen in Rose Glow. Founded by a working mom of 4, Pixi by Petra is all about products that make multitasking easy. This gel-textured, waterproof, smudge-proof, long-wear eyeliner glides on easy and deposits highly pigmented rose gold color. Tip: line your eyes from the inner corner to your eye outward, thickening the line as you reach the outer corner. For a smoky effect, blend using an angled eyeliner brush. I'm going to actually go ahead and open this and swatch it and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, that is pretty. That's super pretty. I would almost be interested in trying that out as like an eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. Let's see if I can blend. Oh my gosh, yeah, I could use that as an eyeshadow. That is really pretty. So, all right, I am not mad at that at all. And it doesn't really want to wipe off my hand. So, yeah, that's actually really pretty. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull this out next. What is this? This is the brand Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with Super Volcanic Clusters. Ooh. All right, it is just a gray clay. And that is what the packaging looks like. I'm not sure if it'll focus enough to show you, but it does say Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask on there. Okay. All right. So the card says, Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with Super Volcanic Clusters. Innisfree sources the finest, most natural ingredients from Jeju Island in Korea, including the volcanic clusters infused into this mask. The multitasking formula helps minimize the appearance of pores, absorbs oil, gently exfoliates, cleanses, and evens out skin tone. Tip: wash your face and pat dry. Then apply this mask all over your face evenly and let sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Okay. All right, moving on to the next item. This is from Alterna, the Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protectant Spray. So that is what that looks like. Okay, I'm going to give it a smell. Ooh, it smells like florally. It smells nice. Okay, so this is the Alterna Hair Care Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. We're here for anything that uses the science of skincare for hair, in quotes, like Alterna Hair Care does. This vitamin-enriched, lightweight formula shields your strands from heat damage, prevents breakage, smooths split ends, and nixes frizz for silkier, healthier hair. Tip: spray evenly onto towel-dried hair, concentrating on the ends, comb through, and style as desired. I like that. This is an expensive brand, too. All right, and then the last item in here is this little guy right here. This is from INM. Oh, okay, it's INMO, Velveteen Dream Shadow. And on the side, it says, I'm not missing out. And it looks like the shade name is Super Base. So the packaging is really cute. I'm going to show you the box here. That is what the box looks like. Okay. All right, and then it is just a purple eyeshadow. Go ahead and swatch it. It has the consistency of like a ColourPop, what are they called? Super Shock shadow. That's what it feels like. And it looks almost wet on the back of my hand. It's super pretty. Definitely super pretty. All right, so this is the Inmo Velveteen Dream Eyeshadow in Super Base. The Inmo delivers on-trend products that make creating eye-catching beauty looks easy and fun. This shimmery light mauve shadow is a fresh shade that screams spring. Bonus, it goes on creamy and lasts for hours without creasing. Tip: apply this light mauve shade onto your lids using your finger and blend out with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. All right, so that is, oops, I dug the lid into the eyeshadow. So that is my Ipsy bag for the month of May. I am not disappointed at all. In fact, I would say I'm actually happier with this than I was with the Glam Bag Plus. Anyway, I got a single shadow, which is absolutely beautiful. The clay mask, the eyeliner from Pixie by Petra, which I'm really liking that shade. The Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Spray, and like I said, that's an expensive brand. And then the brush from Farrah. So I am absolutely pleased with this box or this bag. The worst thing is that this bag here, although it's very adorable, very cute, all the little glitters are falling off. So I'm not real happy about that. But if I didn't tell you, the Ipsy bag is $10 a month for the original Ipsy bag. And I definitely have to go out and buy a second subscription for this and do Ipsy versus Ipsy. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I love to interact with you all as much as I can. And let me know what you thought of all the products that I got or what you got in your Ipsy bag. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!